find the PS home button right here, and then you want to find the share button right here, and you want to press those two together at the same time. So just press it together and just wait. Just wait. Okay, so once you press that together, what you want to do now is you want to go over to like a computer, or you can use like an Android phone if you have one. And what you want to do, you want to go to the settings on either your phone or your computer, and you want to type in, let's go to Bluetooth. Bluetooth. We're gonna go to Bluetooth other settings. All right, so you want to make sure your Bluetooth is on, and click on. All right, and then you see it's already put. I'm gonna remove this device. Let's remove this. Yes. Okay. Do you click yes? Now you want to go to add Bluetooth or other device so you can search it, and go to Bluetooth in order to search it. All right, now you should see it like a wireless controller, and now you want to click that wireless controller. All right, now it says your device is ready to go. And as you see, you go back on the controller and you see it's a light that stopped blinking, so that means it's actually connected to it. So now what you want to do, you want to go back over to your PS4. So let's go ahead and go over to the PS4 again. Okay, guys, so we are back at our PS4, and now I'm just set this down right here. And basically what we did is we like reset our PS4 controller. So now it's set on the it's set on whatever you connect it to, the Android device, or either your laptop or your computer or whatever you use. And now what you want to do is, oh, look at this. You want to get your controller now, and make sure you have your USB cable plugged in. It doesn't matter if you have it don't matter what type of USB cable. Just make sure it's a PS that works with a PS4. So it's basically an Android charger. And sorry, I have a cough drop in my mouth because I have a cold right now and I want to be coughing during the video. Okay, so you want to get the PS4 controller. The PS4 charger, and you want to go ahead and plug it in. And make sure your PS4 is on, of course. And then you should get another yellow light, and just keep pressing. And there you go. It should be connected just like that. And you should not get any yellow light. So yeah. For this method, make sure you have your USB cable, of course. And make sure you have another PS4 controller that you can use to connect. It's like, go get one of your friend's PS4 controllers and connect it so I can show you exactly how to do it. Once you have your friend's PS4 controller connected to your PS4, what you want to do is you want to get the USB cable right now. And you want to go ahead and plug that into your PS4. This is so. Alright, just have that plugged in. Alright, so now what you want to do, you want to go over to your TV. And you want to make sure the PS4 is already on. Make sure it's on. You want to go under device, or go back. All right, go under settings and go down to devices and go to Bluetooth devices. Just let it stay right there. And now you want to come back over to your PS4 controller. You want to get it, all right? So once you have your PS4 controller, just set this right here, all right? You want to find the PS button and find the share button. This should be on the left side of your PS4 at the top. You want to hold those two together, press them at the same time together, and don't let go until you see a blinking light on your PS4 controller. So let's hold it. Just as so. All right. There you go. All right. So once you get that blink, now what you want to do? Pay attention closely now. You want to get your cable that you plug into your PS4. You want to go ahead and plug the cable into the PS4 controller that does not work correctly. All right. Plug that in. All right. Now what you want to do? You want to press the PS button on your PS4 controller. Just press it. Just keep pressing it. All right. And look. You should get that, and it should come up correctly, so your PS4 should work correctly. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to need is your PS4 controller, of course, and you're going to want to need your USB cable for your PS4 controller. All right, so once you have those two, let's put this right here. You want to have your PS4 fully on, and you want to turn it off just like this. You want to hold it, 1, and you should hear another click, 2, to get it fully off. 2. All right, so then you can just let go of it and just wait till it turns off completely. The light just turns off completely, and just wait. It should only take about 10 to 15 seconds or 20 maybe. It depends on how fast your PS4. Because if you have a PS4 Pro, it may run a little quicker, so it may turn off quicker. All right, so it's turned off like that, and once it turns off, you want to unplug the power cord from the back of it, so it has no power going into it. So just unplug that power cord. Let's get this out. All right, unplug it. Okay, once you have that done, now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and plug your USB cable into your PS4. All right, and plug that in. Just put this right here. All right, now get your PS4 controller, and you want to find the PS button on it right here in the middle, and you want to get on the share button right here at the top. This button right there where it says share. And you want to press those two together. So just press them together, just like that. All right, then you should get a blink just like that. All right, once you get that blink, you want to go ahead and plug your PS4 back up. But do not turn it on yet. Just plug it up. Hold on. Let's get this in. All right, it's plugged up. All right, so now you want to get these two fingers. And you want to get your middle finger right here. And you want to turn your PS4 on with your middle finger. And as it turns on, just plug it up really quick. And just keep pressing the PS4 button. And it should come on just like that. And this is how you fix your PS4 controller yellow light of death fix. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if it did work for you, go ahead and share it. Go ahead and like and subscribe and comment. And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified for every upload on my channel. And yes, I'm on the roadway to 1K. I'm trying to hit it by December, the end of December. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll be back to show you how.